loves, good morning. So, gigising lang. Punta ko sa big room dun si Raiden. Hi, how are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? Say good morning to the guys. Say good morning. Say good morning. Okay, I'm gonna just prepare breakfast, okay? Just stay here for a while. I will get you once I finish. Yeah, it's okay. No, don't throw toys. Not throwing toys. Not throwing toys. No, no, no. Okay, I'm going now, okay? Just stay here for a while. Baba tayo, loves. Magluto na ako ng rice. Dilaw kasi yung ilaw namin dito sa kusina, kaya dilaw yung ating, Magluto na ako ng rice, dyan sa rice cooker. Tapos, mag-prepare ako ng breakfast. Nagluto ako kahapon ng sitaw, adobong sitaw. Ilagay ko kayo dito. Second. Okay na ba mga loves? Yan. So, ilalagay ko lahat. Teka lang, papasukin ko lang yung pusa kasi nagtatawag. Hello, Rico. So, I'll put back all the pinggan. You want some food, Rico? Okay, just wait a second. So, mga loves, kumusta kayo? Pasensya na kung yung video ko ng mga ina-upload, hindi siya everyday. Tapos, yung ginagawa ko is, actually, hindi naman siya everyday. Yung iba, everyday. Yung iba kasi nakakat ko na. Tapos, the next day naman. Kasi nag-upload ako, di ba, Monday and Thursday. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung nakaraan because I'm sick. Raiden also sick. Me sick as well. So, as you can hear, I still have a little bit. But I feel a little bit better. Raiden also feel a little bit better. So, yan. Pagaling na siya. Actually, nag-inom siya ng antibiotic kasi yung ubo niya nung nakaraan, 3 weeks na kasi. Tapos, pina-check up namin yun na nga, nakita sa kanya na na kailangan niya mag-antibiotic. First time nangyari yun na gano'n, na mag-antibiotic siya. Kasi, dati naman kapag inuubo siya, 1 week lang, tapos na. Tapos, neto, umabot ng 3 weeks. Actually, yung 3 weeks na yun, on and off yun. Kasi akala ko magaling na. Tapos, nung umpisa sa sipon, syempre, sa sipon. Tapos, akala ko magaling na siya. Tapos, nung bumalik naman siya after, 2 weeks something, sabi ko, sige, maximum 3 weeks. Pag hindi pa to gumaling, pa-check up na natin. Tapos yun, pag 3 weeks, pina-check up, saktong 3 weeks talaga, pina-check up na namin. Hindi na ako nag-antay. Tapos yun, pinakita namin sa doktor. And then the doctor say that Raiden has, need antibiotic because of cough. Tapos yun, okay na siya. Actually, magaling na siya. Pagaling na siya, as in. Yung tinatapos lang namin yung antibiotic. Bigyan ko lang ng pagkain yung pusa kasi nag-iiyak. Cat food.
Tingnan natin kung anong ginagawa ng isa dun. What are you doing? What are you doing there? I'm coming. How you get there? Kitaan na ba ya? Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan yung mga loves, oh. Marunong na siya pumunta dyan sa kabila. Kaya nga, next day off of my husband, we have to do something. We have to change the sofa. I don't know how. And some furnitures. Because, tingnan nyo, be careful. Oh no, you have to be careful. Oh no, Raiden, that's not... Mababalian ka. Talaga naman batang to talaga. Tingnan niyo yung ginagawa, oh. Oh. Oh, no. No. Be careful. Talaga naman, ha? Say hi to the guys. Hi! Likot. Wak. Raiden, you have to be careful. You have to do something here. Yeah. Ay, naku. Mouth. So, hello, friends.
Hello, friends.
How are you?
I'm Sunil. I slide over that walkie.
Say take care.
Take it right.
Take care, loves. Take care, friends.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Loves. Ito yung routine ko everyday. Kapag sinisipag. So, tayo ay konting exercise. Usually, nag-change ako ng outfit. Kaya lang, pag ganito, minsan tinatamad ako mag-change ng outfit. Tsaka pag comfortable naman ako sa suot ko, okay lang din naman. Pero pag alam kong loose or kaya hindi ako comfortable, pinapalitan ko yung suot ko. So, let's start using 3 kilo each dumbbell. So, each set 12 reps. Ano ba yung ginagawa? Okay, rest a little bit and then next set. You can put the top right there. You can put it on the top. Put it on the top. Okay, just like this. I show you. Like that. Put it here. Here. Yes, it is what it is. Okay. Okay, rest and another set. Okay, another one, another set. Rest and last set. Oh, are you pooping? Are you pooping?
Another two.
Hello mga loves, tapos na ako mag-exercise.
Mommy!
Nandito na kami sa baba.
Mommy!
Paghilamos na ako ng mukha.
Mommy!
Yes, what is it?
I need hello, guys. Hello?
Hello friends.
Hello, guys. Name?
So prepare ako ng lunch naman para sa kanya, tapos para sa akin. Pero mamaya pa ako kakain kasi
Name.
katapos ko lang mag-exercise. Diyan nag-inom ako ng tubig, so I feel full. Yun. Are you showing your book?
Books.
Books, yeah.
This on it. Books on it. Yes. 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 Yes.
So, ayun mga loves, balitaan ko kayo mamaya. Mag-asikaso muna ako.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Papa.
See you later.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Bye-bye mga loves.
Yes.
Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Yeah, you're trying to go.
Come here later. Come here. Come here, sis.
Come on, come on. He's playing with me, and then he go there, and then he doesn't know how to come back. Come on, come on, come back here, come on.
Mommy.
Yeah, it's okay. Keep
Mommy,
going.
mommy.
Keep going. You can do
Mommy,
it.
mommy.
Yes. What is it?
This.
You can. You can do it. Come on. Mommy's here. Come on. Come on. Don't take off don't take off your socks, Raiden. Oh no.
What shoes?
2 socks. Oh no. Okay, come back here. So I'm gonna put it on.
Repeat after.
Come on.
Repeat after next.
Come on now. Come to mommy.